Hi, beautiful ladies. Aaliyah Martinez here with Elegant Faces, doing a outside demonstration, portable, great tanning machine, actually, that you can take to your customer's house or you can take on location. Very easy. So right now I'm just setting up the portable tent that comes in the kit. Now I have a black one, but if you go online to order it now, you will see that they have hot pink with the Dinair logo. So my tin is a little bit older, which works great for me, and which is awesome. So I'm just flipping it around so you can see what the back looks like. And I'm by myself, so you don't need any help. It literally pops up, which is amazing. So the client just steps inside there. You get a little bit of privacy, and then you can start your session. So I've got my girlfriend, Cheryl, a brave soul. So she is actually going to be my model for today. So she's very, very fair. So I put like 2 ounces of the dark tanning solution in my bottle. So I didn't use the color guide that it comes with, which will make the solution actually darker, so you can see it going where it goes on the skin. So Cheryl is very fair, so I didn't need to do that. My dark solution, I could actually see where I was spraying. So as long as you do nice even strokes, is super, super easy. I mean, it's like less than 10-minute application. I mean, it's very, very quick. So always advise your client to wear something dark or black or a bikini or something like that, so that it doesn't stain their clothes. So very portable. I've got it on my shoulder. Very easy, lightweight. I love it. So now Cheryl is doing me. And we look super huge on this video, but I use like a really short lens, so we just stretched us and we look really big. But we're not. So she's doing me, first time user, never picked it up before. Very, very easy to use. Like I said, she's never done this before. I do it, and she was awesome. So now I'm just showing you cleanup just with a water hose. I'm just spraying the inside of it, turning it over, dumping it out, and then you let it dry, and then you pop it, twist it back down into your case. So here you go. There's Cheryl again and myself. So I love this product. I hope you will try it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the links below. So the kit comes with the machine, 32 ounces of solution, a pop-up tent, and you can do tanning any time of the day, no matter season. Love it. Take care, guys. See you soon.